Now, how to use animation tool is very easy, and I want to use this video of mine here, and I'm going to add text. Maybe I'm just going to use simple text. I'm going to add text over here on top here. So what am I going to write in this text? It's very simple. I'm going to click the text here, maybe write hi, join me. Then I change the color into something like red, like so. Maybe also add a shadow like so, so that it becomes visible. Now I want my text to be here. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to more options here, and I'm going to choose animations. Now there are very many animations here, as you can see as I scroll down here, that you can use to animate something. For example, this text here, maybe I use color. I'll just drag and drop. When you see this something like a plus, you drop, it means it's there. Then maybe I try to scale my timeline so that you see it will have these keyframes here that shows how the text will be. Let me just play how the text will behave. You see how the text will behave. It will rotate like that. You can also add other pictures or other forms of media to animate. Let me add a new video track here. Add video track. Let me add a new video track there, so that I bring this picture here, so that you see what I'm talking. I'll also bring this picture here, and also I want to animate this picture here. So what will I do? I'll come again to more options here. Then I'll come to video options, then animations. Now let's try this time. Let me try to use something like fade in, so that when the picture comes as if it's faded. You can also double click here to see what will happen, how it will happen. To you see, this is what will happen. You can click here to see what will happen. I use these animations. There's also advanced here, but let me just use the simple. Let me use this fade in. I want this picture to fade in here slowly. So as you can see there, the keyframe is added. I can also expand the keyframe so it cover end to end, so it starts fading out slowly. So if I play, you see it's fading out slowly like that. Now another thing, let's say you want to remove it. How do you remove the animation? You just come here, click here, and you can remove the keyframe. That's how to remove animation. Also this one, come here, click on this dot here, and remove all keyframes. So that's how to put keyframes in Movavi video editor.